Assalamualaikum friends, this is me Amir Safwan from batch KD143 for Malone English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is KD143 and today I'm going to discuss about deforestation. So let's get started. Deforestation means cutting of trees and forest destruction. It causes for human activities and different types of natural disasters like cyclone and soil erosion. Some people use woods for logging, timber, and paper. And some people also slash and burn the old crops to grow new crops on the land. People cut down the forests for making cities and towns. Some effects of soil erosion are deforestation are soil erosion, and some animals lose their habitat for cutting down trees. This is one of the main cause of effects of deforestation. Consequences for humans and the planet: reduce oxygen supply. Carbon dioxide increases of 47% at atmosphere. Food and water insecurity are the consequences for humans and the planet. Some solutions and preventions are reforestation, sustainable farming, eco-friendly farming, awareness campaigns, government policies. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening to me. See you soon with a new topic. Bye bye.